from Senvok. These are the butterfly wound closure kits. If you've got a home first aid kit, you should be stocking more than just some Band-Aids and some headache medicine. A good first aid kit is gonna have stuff for more intense wounds and situations, and that's where these come in. I'm gonna sacrifice one of these. This kit comes with 4 wound closure devices, and this is great. This is a great device for after like a surgery, for instance, or for instance, if you have a larger laceration or some sort. The whole idea behind this is to aid with healing and to help prevent scarring. You're going to take the tension of this and close the wound together. You're going to literally pull it together with these little tension devices. And doing so is pretty easy. All you got to do, we're going to play pretend right now. You got to remove the backer like so. Can you see that there? You got to remove the backer like so. Let's say the wound was going up and down here. Once you have it nice and firmly in place, this is generally easier with 2 hands, but you start ratcheting down. You pull them tight, and it literally closes up the wound, and then you can actually take snips. It's literally pulling these in tight. Then you can take snips or scissors to cut off these plastic pieces so they're not poking out. And the tension of this keeps the wounds safe, keeps them closed up more secure to help aid in the healing process. So overall, if you're looking for something that's a little bit better than some Band-Aids to help keep wounds closed, to help keep debris out of them, to help them in the healing process, check these out. These wound closure devices are wonderful. Great way to keep tension on a wound.